Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss any of our videos.
Today, we are going to take you on an exciting journey inside a factory, showing how clothes and bedding are made step by step.
So come along with us as we explore the complete process, from raw materials to finished products. Here we are inside the factory, where every piece of clothing and bedding begins its journey. Watch closely as the process unfolds.
Each step is carefully handled, ensuring quality from start to finish. Selecting the finest cotton for warm Razai. Bales of cotton are brought for processing. Checking cotton quality before spinning. Impurities are removed from cotton fibers.
Fluffing cotton to make it soft and airy.
Aligning fibers through carding machines. Extra fine combing for smooth Razai filling. Weighing cotton to maintain uniform filling.
Rolling cotton into neat bundles for the next stage.
Prepared cotton is stored safely before processing. Spinning cotton into strong threads for Razai fabric. Winding yarn on spools for weaving.
Checking yarn for consistency and strength.
Yarn is dyed in vibrant colors. Drying dyed yarn carefully to preserve color.
Ensuring yarn meets high-quality standards.
Rolling yarn for easy weaving. Ready yarn, stored for the loom process.
Setting up yarn on looms for fabric production.
Preparing warp and weft for seamless weaving. Weaving the base fabric for cozy Razai.
Checking woven fabric for defects.
Cutting fabric to desired Razai size.
Folding fabric neatly before filling. Preparing fabric layers for stitching.
Brushing fabric for smooth texture.
Sewing fabric layers together precisely. Hemming edges for a neat finish. Adding decorative stitches to enhance design. Adding decorative stitches to enhance design.
Ensuring fabric is ready for cotton filling.
Filling quilt with soft cotton for warmth.
Distributing cotton evenly inside Razai.
Multiple layers of cotton for extra comfort.
Fluffing cotton to make Razai soft and airy.
Ensuring Razai has uniform thickness. Preparing filled Razai for final stitching.
Quilting the fabric to secure cotton layers.
Stitching edges for durability.
Adding patterns for beauty and structure. Ensuring cotton is perfectly distributed. Pressing quilt to remove wrinkles and shape it. Steaming for smooth and soft fabric finish.
Trimming excess threads for a clean look. Final stitches to perfect Razai structure. Folding Razai neatly for inspection.
Inspecting Razai for defects and comfort. Verifying colors are vibrant and even.
Measuring Razai to ensure correct size.
Checking softness to guarantee comfort.
Marking any imperfections for correction.
Folding Razai neatly before packaging.
Placing Razai in protective packaging.
Adding labels with size, material, and brand.
Sealing the packaging to protect the Razai.
Storing packed Razai ready for dispatch.
Stacking Razai neatly in warehouse.
Preparing Razai for shipping to customers.
Loading Razai onto transport vehicles.
Final inspection before leaving factory.
Razai is ready for customers to enjoy warmth.
And that's the complete journey inside the factory. From raw materials to finished products, now you've seen how it all comes together.